Hey everybody, welcome to another sports card break with Matt. Today we got another fat pack of the 2021 Series 1 from Topps, guys. We found these at our local Barnes & Noble, so be sure to head on down and check them out and see if you can score some baseball cards at normal retail cost, guys. So let's go ahead and open this up. High chances to get relics and autograph cards in these fat packs. That's what I love about these. So here we go, pulling them open now. Pack is open. Little security tab just flew out on me. And let's see. Let's start it off. We got Zach Britton. Got Willie Adams. Got Matt Shoemaker. Fernando Tatis Jr., which is going to be the face of Series 2 when it comes out in a couple of days. Got Matt Olson. We've got a Sean Manaea. Let's flip these around. We got Aroldis Chapman. All right. That was a little hard for me to pronounce. All right, so first rookie card of the batch. We've got a Humberto Mejia. It's pretty cool. Stick all our rookies to the side. We've got Nick Neidert. We got Nick Senzel. Dylan Bundy, Mitch Hanger, got a Washington Nationals team card. It's pretty cool. We got Jack Flaherty, Chris Archer, New York Yankees team card, Andrew Benintendi, John Gray, Chadwick Trump's rookie card. All right, so there we go. We're getting to the middle where usually they would put any good stuff right here, guys, and not every pack's guaranteed. Here we go. We got Xander Bogaerts, Eloy Jimenez, Shohei Ohtani. Let's keep going right here. We've got a Matthew Boyd, Luke Voigt, Josh Reddick, Brusdar Graterol, Andres Jimenez rookie card. All right, here's some rookies. We've got Nick Mandergraw rookie, Jesus Luisardo. We got Christian Javier's rookie, Spencer Howard rookie card. Another Spencer Howard. Look at that, guys. Look, two Spencer Howards that were like stuck together. I guess they must have got caught up in the sorting machine or something. That's pretty cool find right there. Got Justin Verlander. I know that used to happen a lot back in the early like 90s and stuff. Deivi Garcia's rookie card. Kenta Mejia. Omar Narvaez. Orlando Arcia. Got Evan White's rookie card. Jesse Winker. And the last one is going to be a rookie card of Luis Garcia right there, guys. All right, so let's go ahead and review real quick. No big hits, no like hollow or anything like that, but we did pull a lot of rookie cards, like nice thick stack right there, guys. Can't complain. We got Luis Garcia, Evan White, Deivi Garcia, Spencer Howard again. Got Christian Javier, Nick Mandergraw, Andres Jimenez. We got Chadwick Trump. We've got ourselves Nick Neidert and Humberto Mejia. All right, guys, that's going to do it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, I found these cards at Barnes & Noble, so be sure to check them out. And maybe you can get lucky and find some cards too, guys. Good luck out there. I will see you in the next one. Have a wonderful week. Peace.